Hi everyone, and welcome to my video. Today, I'm going to be talking about the GMI 30% welcome bonus. This is a great opportunity to get started with trading Forex, gold, energies, and indices without having to risk any of your own money. What is the GMI 30% welcome bonus? The GMI 30% welcome bonus is a promotion. How do I claim the GMI 30% welcome bonus? To claim the GMI 30% welcome bonus, you need to follow these steps. 1. Create an account at GMI Markets. 2. Make a deposit of at least $10. 3. Enter the bonus code, 30WELCOME, in the bonus code field during the deposit process. How do I use the GMI 30% welcome bonus? The GMI 30% welcome bonus can be used to trade any of the Forex, gold, energies, and indices that are offered on the GMI platform. You can use the bonus to open new positions, close existing positions, or take profit on your trades. There are a few things to keep in mind about the GMI 30% welcome bonus. The bonus is only available to new customers. The bonus must be used within 30 days of being credited to your account. The bonus cannot be withdrawn. The bonus must be wagered 30 times before it can be withdrawn. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about the GMI 30% welcome bonus, please visit the GMI website. Is there anything else I can help you with?